All right, it is Troy.
Logan.
We are out here today with our Granite Mega that we have put the Hobby Wing SC8 and our Ghoul RC 3900 kV motor in. You recently saw a video where we took this and we went brushed to brushless, and that went from like, what was it, like 19 miles an hour to 24 or something like that. We then threw the Hobby Wing in it, it went all the way up to 28. Really did good, but that was all on 2S. And you guys loud and clear said, give us a 3S, give us a 4S. What is the difference? Well, so the one negative is the GPS is currently back at our friend's house. And so we can't give you an official speed with those, but what we're going to do is we're going to run them up and down the street to see how fast it feels, see how much difference those different runs make. In the front yard, just a general run around, see what that looks like. Head to the backyard with the big send it ramp and see the backflips. I'm expecting on 4S all of the backflips. So let's just see what happens here. All right, 2S speed run. It is so much better with this Hobby Wing ESC. I still hesitate a little bit off the line.
Yeah, not as much.
Oh, crashed it. Oh, it almost made the backflip. Oh, ate the dirt. Oh, man. It jumps easy. It's just hard to really get the full backflip out of it. Okay, and now with a 3S battery in it. Whoa, that woke it up. That woke it up. Make sure traffic's coming clear the other way. Whoa! Too bad we don't have the GPS on us. That is noticeably faster. Wow. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh,
oh man!
It just rolled into a backflip. Dang! Oh, that's going to happen a lot right now. So 3S hitting the ramp. Oh, easy backflip. Easy. I probably almost have a double in it. Oh man, I went for it. Oh! Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I get that on video, it went so high. Alright, so 2S, it barely did a backflip.
3S,
Easy backflip on 3S. Oh my gosh, 4S is going to be nuts. Now, 4S battery speed run. What do you think? What do you guys think is going to happen? What do you think?
it's gonna go very badly and the body's gonna be gone.
Yeah, probably.
Woo! We got some tire ballooning, of course, as you may imagine. Are we clear the other way? Clear the other way. Ah, that doesn't seem so much faster, actually. 3, 2, 1, launch! And the wheelie monster. You just can't hit full throttle without it flipping over. Like, there's just not such a thing. Oh, that was easy double. Oh, it wasn't even trying double. Oh, that was a 2.5. Nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was bad. Did you hear that? It wheelied into the jump. Oh, and it's taking it. It's taking every bit of the 4S abuse. Oh, oh, I heard the body. It was rubbing the body so much I let off. Beautiful. Oh my. It's so much fun. Just like that. You don't even have to try. Dang. All day long. Just like that. All right, so check it out. It is lived. I mean, this is like, this is a Granite Mega. Please, 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 please remember that this started as a Mega. And everybody's like, oh, the Mega, it can't handle brushless. That was it taking some nasty flips, some nasty jumps, and some pretty bad landings on my part on 4S, and it's fine. 4S 3900 kV, that thing flew. Oh my gosh, so why do we even own 6S Arrmas? Like, what's even the point? That thing is ridiculous. I know, 6S, bigger, better, faster, stronger. I know, but wow. I am very, very impressed. The Arrma Granite, such a great vehicle. Probably not going to keep running it on 4S. I think 3S is probably the sweet spot for this vehicle, but wow, that was staggering. So, hey, let us know what you think down in the comments. Was that crazy? Was that exactly what you were looking for? We appreciate all the feedback, really appreciate all the support. Check out our other videos that we have going on over here. We will see you next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.